Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyjee, but everyone calls me Nyjee, so you already know you can call me Nyjee. Today we're going to be doing this contemporary style chocolate mousse, so if you're interested, please stay tuned. So let's get started. I'm going to start with some French vanilla creamer, and then we're going to heat that up to scalding. That means just before boiling, and I like to keep it moving just so it doesn't curdle, it doesn't buckle, nothing. You want to keep it smooth, but you want to get it really, really hot. Then I'm going to start with some chocolate. I'm going to do semi-sweet and dark chocolate just because I like the depth of flavors. Then to make a ganache, you're going to pour that creamer on top of your chocolate and let it sit. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't look at it. Just walk away. And I let mine sit for a good 3 minutes, but you can let it sit up to 5. Just let the creamer and the chocolate meet. Let them talk for a while. Then you want to gently whisk the chocolate into the creamer, and there's some processes. It's a stage after a stage. So when it first looks like when you leave your Oreos sitting in milk, that means you're doing it right. Just keep mixing, keep intertwining, keep combining, and the ganache will form right in front of your eyes. And look, you just made French vanilla ganache. So easy. Don't let the word ganache fool you. It sounds fancy. Girl, it's chocolate. It's melted chocolate. You can do it. So easy, so simple. The creamer just gave it this really nice, fluffy French vanilla flavor. And for people who say I don't really like chocolate, I don't like chocolate dishes to be too heavy, ganache is not heavy as it may come off. It's very light when done correctly. And because we're going to be making it into a mousse, it's even going to be more light and fluffy. The easiest way to make mousse is taking some heavy whipping cream and beating it until it's light and fluffy. Fun fact, I taught myself how to make mousse. I did not have the pleasure of taking a chocolatier class when I was in culinary school, but I did take statistics. So I can graph whatever you want. But pretty much when it's light and fluffy, then you're going to add your chocolate ganache right on top of it. Oh, look at that pour, like Willy Wonka vibes, okay? But you're gonna add your ganache, and I just like to whip it in just for a few times, and then I'm gonna take a cake spatula and really intertwine your heavy whipping cream into your ganache, and it is just gonna become this beautiful, light and fluffy dessert. And right here, you could refrigerate it, eat it, boom. Dessert for the whole family, okay? But, I was really thinking, let's step this up a level. Let's step this up just a tad, okay? And let's do something very contemporary. So personally, I really enjoy doing contemporary style plating. So I'm going to take this mousse and put it into the cylinder funnels, and then I'm going to pop them in the refrigerator for about 3 hours just so they can set. And I do it for 3 hours just so they can take the mold really nicely and have a pretty solid shape. So 3 hours later, you have mousse. You can eat it like this right now. I won't judge you, I promise. But let's take it up a notch and let's do some more adding to the plate. I'm gonna rough chop some graham crackers at first, and then I'm going to really finely cut it into pretty much making chocolate soil. But instead of doing chocolate, I was gonna do graham crackers because I wanted to add a layer of texture to the plate. I thought graham crackers would be a really cool addition to the plate. And I'm not just going to do graham crackers and throw them on the plate. I'm going to toast them with a little bit of almond extract, the almond flavor with the chocolate. You just want to do things that complement the chocolate. The chocolate is the goal getter of the plate. You don't want to distract too much that someone would get confused when they look at the plate. But you also want to do something around the plate that makes the mousse even stand out more. I have not done any intricate plating yet on my channel, and I'm so shocked because it's literally what I love doing. So I'm gonna shut up and just have you guys watch me plate this up. But I'm just saying, I used edible gold for this, and I'm not saying that I want this with every meal, but I literally want edible gold with every meal now. Period. This was so much fun. This was so much fun. The French vanilla ganache, it's light, it's fluffy, it complements the dish. The hint of almond that's in the graham crackers just makes the chocolate notes explode. I'm so happy the way this came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this type of plating and you like this type of style, let me know in the comments, okay? And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. My girlfriend made this beat.
Switch it up, 2-stroke.